Money pit.
So one of the benefits that ROCKWOOL is really known for is our sound absorbency. We have a product called Safe and Sound, which we've been marketing for a number of years now, designed specifically for sound reduction in interior walls. So we built this sound tunnel here, which we're going to walk through. And as you can tell, we're on a busy trade show floor. You're picking up a lot of ambient noise. But when you walk through here, you'll notice that the absorption will just reduce that dramatically. So those are the benefits there. You can hear it. So this again is used in a variety of applications for basements, media rooms. There's a lot more multi-family units being built more than ever. So party walls between joining units, as well as bathrooms, dining rooms. All sorts of interior walls where sound reduction is something that is so meaningful. So because of the density of the product, and because it friction fits in the wall, it really provides an absorbency that's far superior to other products.